my name is Christina Moore. If you're new here, if you're already subscribed, sis, welcome back to yet another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can achieve some laid, slayed, fried and dyed, laid to the side edges, okay? Nothing fried, but it sounded nice, okay? So my hair is blown out. I'm gonna put it in a bun. What you're gonna need is gel or a styler of your choice. I am using the Carrot Care Styling Protein Gel. Let me tell you something. Get a little asthma for you guys. If you like tapping sounds in the comments, I'm a little curious about that, you know? Let's talk about it. We're family. You can share your secrets with us. And what I'm gonna be using to lay my edges down, is a brush. This is my son's extra toothbrush. Listen, you use what you got, and this is what I got, all right? And I'm gonna be using a fine tooth comb. All right, sis, so the bun is done. So I'm gonna be looking down here so I can just see what I'm doing. I'm kind of gonna brush out what I'm using. All right, hold on now, hold on. So I'm brushing out what I'm gonna use already. I'm just gonna swoop it and then hold it so the hair stays in place. And I usually try to get 3 in. Okay, so this is where the comb comes in handy because it kind of gives that sharp line. See? Bomb. So I'm gonna do the same thing, then cut it. I kind of don't have a set routine in regards to like the order I use the brush and the comb. I just use both because the brush gets you that nice little swoopage here, and then the comb gets you that nice line, and I like both. It's art. And I like to use the brush to get the product onto my hair. Mine kind of gets you more room to add more baby hairs in. I hope I'm explaining this right. If I'm not, I'm sorry. And I also like to do sideburns. I'm extra. I mean, if you want to do it, you might as well just go full out. You know what I'm saying? So I hold it so that way I can get the swoopage going. And then here, again, it's a preference. If you want your hair to kind of like curl down, you just take more hair out, do the same thing, and then take some gel and wrap it around your finger. Today I'm feeling for just like a circle type of situation. Kind of swoop it around until it gets in the circle. So again, just using the brush to place where I want to put the baby hair and adding the product on. And then I'm just going to use the comb to get it the way I want. The key to making your edges look good is tying it down. Kind of have to set it in place. Now would be a perfect time to do your makeup, eat your food, whatever you need to do. So I'm gonna do my makeup, sis, and then we can come back and see, you know, what these edges is like. All right, so makeup is done. Edges are more than cooked, okay? They're baked, they're set. Just gonna take her off. This is what guys must feel like when like they have waves and you know they make like a big spectacle about how they take off their do-rag. I'm feeling like this right now. So that is it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Let me know what kind of baby hairs, edges, what kind of style you like. If you like the little straight style, if you like a swoop, or if you're like me and you like both. Let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget, it is free to subscribe, sis. I'm just saying. If you want more videos to teach you how to do your hair, your makeup, give you tips, even tips about life, sis, I got videos on here about that too. Go ahead and check them out. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.